Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make birthday blondies, which are kind of like white chocolate chip brownies, and they've got hundreds and thousands or sprinkles in them to make them nice and birthday friendly. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So during June, July, August, I like to call it birthday season. Both my kids have their birthdays, it's my birthday too, and I feel like I'm just constantly making cakes and brownies and sweet treats, and this is kind of just the epitome of birthday fun. They are brownies and they are full of hundreds and thousands, and they are always a big hit to take along to any kinds of birthday celebrations. So let me talk you through the ingredients really quickly and then we will get cooking. So I'm using coconut flour as my flour of choice, so these are gluten-free friendly. Because these are blondies and blondies are kind of white chocolate brownies, I am using white chocolate chips as my chocolate chips. I have this little package of hundreds and thousands, that's what I'm using. You can use sprinkles, anything that you like. I've got salt and vanilla to kind of balance the sweetness and flavor. I'm using baking powder just to help them rise a little bit. Sugar is what I'm using, but you could use any sugar or sweetness you like. We've got a couple of eggs and butter to bring it all together. So let me show you how to make these lovely birthday blondies. Start by melting 150 grams of butter, which is about 5.3 ounces, and once it's melted we'll just pour it out into a bowl. So the butter is melted, we'll just pour it out into a bowl, and then we'll just add in all the other ingredients one at a time. And also get the oven preheating to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and line a square baking dish with well greased baking paper. I'm going to start by mixing in a half a cup of sugar. And yet you can add any sugar you want. If you want it to be almost caramel tasting, you can add in brown sugar or a mix of both. And just mix the sugar in. Add in a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter of a cup of coconut flour. Give that a good mix through. Okay, I like to just swap to a whisk at this point. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla and the 2 eggs. And just whisk till you've got a lovely batter. There you go, that is perfect brownie batter. Now we'll move off the whisk, and it's up to you with the chocolate chips and sprinkles or hundreds and thousands. I like to mix about half to 3/4 through now, and then save the rest back for topping. So in the end I end up using the whole 100-gram bag of chocolate chips. For hundreds and thousands it is up to you. Just go a teaspoon or so at a time. So I'm gonna start with a nice generous teaspoon mixed through now. So yeah, I'm just going to mix that through. If you want, you can add as much sprinkles depending on how much colour you want to add in. You know what, I'm going to be bold and go for another teaspoon of sprinkles. Yeah, I'm happy with that amount. Don't want to kind of go overboard. But now I'm going to move it into the baking dish. So get out a square baking tin lined with well-greased baking paper, and now we'll just pour the blondie batter in, and then just top it with the rest of the white chocolate chips. And finally add more sprinkles on the top. I'm adding the last of the sprinkles. I went maybe a bit overboard, but it's for my kids and their birthdays, and we want to have a fun, happy day. So now it goes into the oven, which again is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's golden and done to your liking. The birthday blondies are out of the oven. Smell pretty heavenly. You can see they're lovely and golden in color. Now just allow them to cool completely in the tin before cutting into blondies. The blondies have completely cooled, so now we will cut them into bite-sized pieces. There you go, it's cut into bite-sized pieces, and if you take a look close at a piece, it's beautiful and moist inside, and you can't really see it, but it's full of chocolate chips in every single bite full. Is it going to focus for me? It's full of chocolate chips in every single bite full, and it is just incredible. There you go, you can see beautiful and moist and sweet and just lovely blondies. But that is the video for today for how to make these really easy birthday blondies that are gluten-free. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely recipe a try, what you think of them, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.